Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all feeling well and you're ready for more of our 2012 Grade 11 Fermat paper. We're on question 15 in this video. Oranges are placed in a pyramid-like stack, with each layer completely filled. The base is a rectangle of 5 oranges by 7 oranges. Each orange above the first layer rests in a pocket, sort of like what we've got here, formed by 4 oranges in the last layer as shown. The last layer is a single row of oranges, so they're telling me when to stop. The total number of oranges in the stack is. Okay, let's picture this sort of scenario by looking down on it. We've got, so we'll use red for the first layer. We can imagine if we look down, that first layer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just have a rectangular arrangement of our oranges. I realize now I probably should have used the orange color. Oh well. So I can see quite clearly in that first layer it's going to be 7 by 5. Well, they tell me that, so that's not really that big an observation. That's 35 oranges. So 35 in the red layer or first layer. Now, what about the next layer up? Well, here's where we got to use that pocket information. 4 oranges here give me a spot for my next orange, and these 4 give me these and these and these and these, and we can realize, well, these oranges are going to form a nice little layer now, a rectangular layer, and we can see, oh, you've got 4 by 6 if we just look at the blues there. 4 and 6, so that's 24 oranges for the next layer. Okay? But we can keep going. Between these 4 blues, we can stack a green orange on top. And we'll get another rectangle. And we can start to observe how the sizes of these rectangles are changing. We just go down by 1 on each time, from 7 to 6. And now this is going to be a 5 by 5 to 4 to 3. And we'll just keep going. Now we got 15 of them. Just keep going until we get down to a single layer, which I admit the colors are starting to get a little bleeding together. So we'll make the purple orange a little thicker. We can start to predict this should be a 4 by 2 rectangular array of purple oranges. And that would be 4 by 2, that's 8. And then just for the last one, we'll use the actual orange color we should have used all along. The last row, it's going to be a 3 by 1 rectangle, and that's what they predicted, a single row of oranges on the top. Okay? Because now I no longer have a pocket to put in the next layer or anything like that. So that's why we have to stop there. Okay? So final 3 oranges, and there we go. Now, because of the regularity of these rectangles, you actually probably could come up with a formula. So in a future question, if we started with a base layer of 70 by 50 oranges, you could actually come up with an interesting observation. But we can just add these up really quickly. 35 plus 24 is 59. 3 and 8 is 11, so that's a total of 70 plus 15, 85. Okay, and there we go. Nothing else to it, so we just look for our answer, 85, and that's D, and that's exactly what we're going to bubble in. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for question number 16 next time.